Alright, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an awesome new SEO tool that was going to be very helpful for many of you out there. If you know anything about ChatGPT, you've probably seen a lot of new programs popping up that can actually make it better. And what I'm going to show you is one of those. You might know that, ChatGPT can be a lot better if the prompts were better. So this is really going to help out with that. What we're first going to want to do is go over to the Chrome store and get the extension. Once you are there, type in AIPRM. The one you're going to want will say AIPRM for ChatGPT. So just click on that and press Add to Chrome. Once you do that, you can read the agreement and press Confirm, and it should make your ChatGPT look something like this. Now, this extension has given us a bunch of pre-made prompts to boost our SEO capabilities. We can do Outrank article, which will create us an in-depth article based on our competition's website, but just make everything a little bit better. You can do human written content for your blog with this tab. If you use Midjourney, you can mess around with this one, which will create you some really good prompts and detailed images. There's also this keyword strategy, which I will show you how to use. This will create a plan for your website with just one keyword. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the keyword strategy, and I'm going to show you guys a quick example of what you can do with this, and it's going to create a plan for your SEO content. So I'm going to type in a quick service and then an area, so plumbing service, Dallas, Texas. And what this is going to do is create us a plan for different keywords and the search intent of the keywords. So for instance, you have plumbing services in Dallas, the keyword is going to be plumbing services, Dallas, Texas. Search intent, which is very important, so transactional, that's going to be important for conversions. It's going to give us a good title, meta description, and it's just going to keep generating really good optimized ideas for your website, and an unbelievable amount of time savings for this. So now we're going to go back and create a new chat, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this Outrank article tab, and this is going to be really helpful in basically beating your competition. So what we're going to do is go over to a new tab, and we're going to find a competitor's website and paste it into ChatGPT. So I'm just going to plug in plumbing services, Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to try to find one of the top URLs or top ranked businesses. And so it looks like this Plumber Dallas, Baker's Brothers Plumbing. It looks to be the top one, so I'm going to copy and paste this URL back over into ChatGPT. And from there, I'm just got to paste this in here. What this is going to do is go sweep this website, this URL, and it's going to spit us out a lot of material that is going to be more persuasive and better content for our website, which is going to help us rank even higher on Google. And as you can see, it just starts creating like this comprehensive guide to plumbing services, and this is just going to save you so much time. And if you're anyone like me, I mean, I always take so long creating stuff like this. It kind of takes me a minute to get started, but now all you got to do is type in a prompt, and this can just get the ideas rolling a lot faster. It's just going to keep writing different things down. But what I'm going to go do now is I'm going to show you another quick tool that has kind of helped me on the little projects that I've done so far, and it's this one-click blog post. And what this does is I can go ahead and type, again, I'm going to go ahead and type my example plumbing service in here since we've been doing it. And what this will do is basically create an outline for a blog. And then what I can go do is copy and paste the different titles that it gives us and go create a plagiarism-free, human-like blog. So as you can see, it'll first start by giving us some top-level keywords. Obviously plumbing service, plumbing repair, plumbing installation, and then it'll start generating us some long tail keywords. Emergency plumbing service, professional plumbing service, residential. Now it should start on the outline of what the different blogs are going to be basically for our website and what you can do with this. So within this extension, there's a lot of different prompts pre-made, and you can go take these different titles, like where it says introduction, but then where it says importance of plumbing service, you can copy that and then go back into another one of these pre-made prompts. And what it's going to do is basically create us a plagiarism-free, human-like article, which can get past the AI detectors that a lot of, professors and whatnot are starting to use for their students. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, for example, the importance of plumbing service, and I'm going to go back and create a new chat and go to this human written plagiarism free SEO content. I'm going to copy and paste that in there and press enter. And then what this is going to do is just begin writing us, another really well written plagiarism free article. And as you can see, it says the importance of plumbing service. A well functioning plumbing system is essential to the comfort, safety, and health of any building. And then it'll start generating us another paragraph that then is just going to keep giving us more information. So I really hope you guys see the power of this tool. It's really helped me out a lot since I started using it. But there is just going to be a lot more updates to this, and people can add their own prompts to it and make them public. Now what I'm going to go do is show you the different pages you can look at. There's so many different prompts that are on this extension. I mean, you can write a book with one click. You just put in a keyword and it spits you out a whole book. But there's so many different things you can utilize with this extension to optimize your business and optimize your website. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. I got more videos coming.